If you buy real estate or even your own home, do not put it in your own name. When you buy real estate in your name, it is public information. Anyone can search and see that you own it. And they can also see what other properties that you own as well. Once it becomes public information, you become vulnerable to probate or even legal claims. But what if there was a way to own property without it being in your name or your name being tied to it on public record? There is, and it's called a land trust. And it's one of the simplest ways to protect your property, your privacy, and it allows you to have a long-term plan. With a land trust, your property is held in trust by a trustee of your choosing, and their name shows up on public record, not yours. But you stay in control of that property because you own it as the beneficiary. That means you can rent it, you can sell it, or do whatever you want to do with it, but your personal name stays off public record. That extra layer of protection makes it harder for people to see what you own and makes you less of a target. Now, it doesn't remove responsibility, it just adds protection, especially in a world where people search for everything. And if you pass away, if your property is in a land trust, it transfers to your next beneficiary without ever going through probate. No courts, no delays, just a clean transfer. And nothing changes on public record. It gives you privacy, flexibility, and it gives you one more way to protect what you worked so hard for. If you own any real estate, even your own home, you want to make sure it's in a land trust.